Look at this. Press down firmly, then pull up. I will repeat slowly. Press the corner of the camera down. When the door is open, pull up the lock. Now how to remove the door. Combination: pull door up and then right side. Now how to install the door. You see the metal on the camera. Push the door there until it clicks. How to close the door. Press the door inward down to the corner until it closes. Please try. Good luck.